the fridge, give me something good. Okay, eeny, meeny, miny, screw it. I'm taking this. Today is finally the day.
The stupid little Prius blocking the way.
I think I finally found somebody to tune this car. Porsche left so much room from this car, OEM, that you can literally just go to get this car tuned and get like another 100 horsepower. That would be wild. Over 600, almost 650-ish for a daily SUV. That'd be so sick. Man, this is just an awesome feeling. Today is the day that we drop the Evo, the big turbo Evo 10, off to Evo Dynamics to get it buttoned up, finished up, and tuned. A couple things I need them to do first is I need them to finish my coolant lines. I don't have the block-off plates or anything like that, and I don't know where they are, and I didn't care to look all that up, so they've done it a million times. I'd rather professionals do that to make sure everything's right, because that's a very important piece. And I'm gonna have them button up just a couple things here and there, but I'm also gonna have them do my clutch and my clutch master cylinder. Now, if I had a lift, I would probably do the clutch. I do want to give a very special thank you to one of my biggest sponsors on here. I haven't mentioned them much on the channel yet because I haven't gotten around to them, because I haven't really gotten to install their piece, and I'm not going to personally be installing them, but I want to give a huge shout out and thank you to Action Clutch. I unboxed this about a month ago whenever I actually initially got it. I've worked with a lot of clutch companies on the channel. I gotta tell you what, Action Clutch is by far probably gonna be the best quality that I've seen. Their pricing is awesome, and I just wanted to encourage you guys, if you guys need a clutch, whether it's performance or OE replacement or anything like that, make sure you guys hit up Action Clutch. Let me show you guys. It's a nice one. That's nice as hell. That's pretty tight. This is a 6-puck sprung clutch with iron buttons. It's a nice boy, and it should definitely be able to withstand up to my main goal. Well, at the end goal, I'm looking to hit about 700 horsepower. But for right now, this first round of tuning, because I'm still on stock motor, I don't, oh my God, that hurts my butt cheek. I don't want to immediately blow up the motor, so I might try and push about 500, and then I'm gonna need to get a surge tank, and then probably a built long block, or just build my own, I don't know. But that's the goal. I don't actually know anything about Evo Dynamics. I just was recommended them. They're a good tuner, so hopefully they take good care of the Evo, and I'm excited. I've heard good things about them, so I'm hoping that that it gets buttoned up just right and runs extremely well whenever it tunes. God, I love a diesel. Let's go! It's a big day. Gosh darn it. Trailer Tom gonna have to get creative here, because there's too many freaking people parked in here. Heck yeah, brother. Sorry, neighbor, I gotta put this damn thing in your driveway, dog. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
You have to curb it?
Nope.
Nice.
Trailer Tom, baby, get her done.
Your voice even cracked on that.
And it's back, it's fine. Jeep gang. It's actually sick. That's such a cool color for that car. Too bad we own a Porsche now. Too bad. I made myself laugh. All right, we're here trying to find the place. Dude, there's a lot of like motorsports things around here. Like, that's a badass 69 Camaro or whatever year that is. Dude, we should just live around here and buy a shop here. This is tight as hell. Oh, I'm gonna guess it's where all the Evos are parked. Evo Dynamics that's probably exactly what it is. Not a single Evo 10 though. Man, no love for the 10s. You're at your new home, baby girl. This is the color, dude. See, yellow Evo, yellow buddies. For the first time ever, we actually arrived somewhere before they were open. So let's go ahead, I guess. Let's get this puppy off the trailer. Maybe scoot it over here a little bit. Actually, look at this plate. You gotta check out this plate. This thing's fast. I know this thing's gotta be fast. Dig only. Respect, bro. Respect. Look at these welds, bro. Oh my God. This is where I need to be. I'm trying to be like... there. There's all the 10s. No cams yet, so everything internally is stock. I think that's it. Yeah, I sat and thought hard about that list, so that should be everything that I need. If tomorrow you just have to work on it, you can't dyno it, that's totally okay. Just do what you need to. And
It's on your schedule.
the hardest part's turning it, to be honest. Well, cool. I'll get out of your hair.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too. Bye, Evo. I'll see you soon. So it's supposed to be, it's on the schedule for tomorrow to be dynoed, but depending on how much Kevin has to buckle up, it might be Friday. So just stay tuned. I'm so excited to see this car on the dyno. I've been waiting for this moment since I bought the damn car. I've been wanting to do this for years, actually. I've been wanting to have a car that makes decent horsepower on the dyno. Like my Subaru, I always wanted to do that. There's an incredible amount of hype building up in me, and I'm just, I hope it comes out in the videos. Like I said, whenever I bought this Evo, everything I ever wanted to do to my Subaru, I'm finally just sending it, doing it with this car. Aero, power, just aesthetics, nice wheels, body kit, well, headlights, taillights, like all the stuff that I've always wanted to do, I'm just doing on this car. And it's gonna be a car that I keep and that I have fun with. And I miss having an iconic Evan Shanks car, and I want this Evo to be that car. So I'm hoping to accomplish just some amazing things with it, and also just make really, really, really genuine fun content on the way. It's hot as hell. My titties are sweating. I have sweat on my titties. What? You're gonna say me too. So I just wanted to be tuned already. Tim. When that fitment on point. Check out that front. Look, show them that front. Oh yeah. So I was just going through Instagram, not while I was driving though, because that's unsafe. Evan from Throttle got his wheels stolen last night. Throttle's doing a VR4 giveaway. It's a really cool car. If you sign up to be a Throttle VIP member, and if you use my code that's in the description, you get entered into winning. Show them some support by doing that.
My arms are so tired from last night, and I'm tired of holding this camera.
That sounds a little...
We went to the gym. Can I be done now?
Bye.
Bye.
Have fun in the Porsche while I'm in here. Dude, I just yeeted into my dad's driveway. I'm not gonna lie, I'm getting pretty halfway decent at backing up a trailer. That was on purpose. Okay, actually maybe it wasn't. It's ugly, but hey, you know what? I'm getting good at it. I've never done it before until now. Hey, see, he could get in front of me. That's what counts. Now let's get out of here. Mom spaghetti. Mom spaghetti. Ooh, ready for the race of a lifetime though? Bye. Once that car's tuned and the Evo's done, I really want to race them, because that car's fast. I'm really excited. I'm super, super excited about this. I know I've said that a million times, and I'm gonna keep saying it, so if you guys don't like hearing my thoughts, then get out of my diary, because I'm gonna keep on saying it because I'm so stoked about it. Oh my god, oh my god, Rockwall, why you do with me this so dirty? I've heard of Evo Evolution Dynamics before. They do a lot of stuff with Evos, but I've never done anything with him, and I didn't realize it's a one-man operation, and he's got one guy that tunes for him, and he has extremely reputable stuff, so I am really, really stoked to be working with him on this Evo. I know that it's going to be in really good hands, and we'll see how everything pieces together. I don't know how much power they're going to want to shoot for. They're probably going to want to go pretty conservative, but I'm sure we'll figure that out another day. My first round, I'd like to hit about 500, because 500, 550 is right around when the stock 4B11T can blow up. So I think that's about what I'm... Oh, I gotta go. So I think that's about what I'm looking at. We'll see, boys. I'm so excited. Oh, goodbye, truck. Ugh. Everybody say thanks, Dad. Thanks, Mike, for letting me have the truck. You, my friend, will be back on the Evo soon enough. Oh, and I wanted to say before we ended the video, I was not incorrect, and I was not I didn't install anything wrong with the fuel pulse damper. I got a broken fuel pulse damper. The diaphragm in it was completely shot, which allowed fuel to just spew straight through it, and that is not supposed to happen. So, wasn't my fault. Tomorrow, we're gonna be doing some more fun stuff. I've got a very awesome surprise for this, which I can't wait to show you guys. It's been in the works for months. It's the package that I got yesterday. I'm excited, boys. I hope you guys are enjoying this this journey with me and the Evo, and hopefully it gets tuned either tomorrow or the next day. Shoot for big power. Love you all. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out and be victorious.